Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and yes, you're not used to seeing me talk at the start of these videos, but I thought I would do a special introduction to this one because we have made it. We have reached a milestone, 50 solos in 50 days. 50 days ago, I decided I was going to upload a Brent Mason solo to YouTube, and every single day since, I have done another one. It has been a monumental amount of work, but I don't plan on stopping. I'm going to keep doing it, so hopefully you guys are enjoying them. If you are enjoying them, please do. It is a massive help to hit that subscribe button, or also just leave a comment under the video if you're already a subscriber. Comments help, they drive that engagement up. To be completely honest with you, these videos aren't nearly as popular as the videos that I usually make. But I don't care. I want to make videos that I enjoy making, and I know there's an audience for this stuff. So if you're watching this stuff and you're enjoying it, help it find a new audience. It is a massive help and it's very, very much appreciated. Anyway, today we have a slightly shorter solo than usual. I've been trying to focus on doing solos that are 8 bars in length. This one's actually 6, and that's with a pickup bar on it. So it's definitely a short solo. It's from the song Weekend Superstar by John Michael Montgomery. It's a cool solo, and that's why I decided to do it, even though it was quite a short one. And just to give you a little bit of insight into creating these videos, you know, people ask, how do you find the time to do this? In all honesty, it's not that difficult to transcribe a solo, learn a solo, and record a solo and edit the video. That's not that time consuming. What I'm finding now is the time consuming part is actually finding the solos. We were doing this chronologically, so I've just reached the 2000s, and I'm finding that I'm having to go through several albums that Brent played on to even find one guitar solo. So that takes a lot of time. So yeah, don't worry if you have made suggestions. I do still have the Spotify playlist, and there's a link in the description that I'm constantly adding to when I'm finding these cool tracks. Check them out. If there are cool tracks, I promise you I will absolutely get to them, and I will be doing even more when my Brent Mason guitar shows up and I can go back and start doing the older tracks that are very obviously B-bender tracks. Though saying that, this one could probably have done with a B-bender. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the solo. Like I say, please do like, comment, share, subscribe. All of that stuff is a massive help. Enjoy the solo, and I will see you tomorrow. Laters.
Honky tonk till I die, weekend superstar. Weekend superstar. Weekend superstar.